So for today's mini lesson, I'm actually going to be showing you a game that you can play. Now, this is one that uses playing cards. We've played it in class before, but I know some of us don't have playing cards at school. At school, you're not at school, you're at home. See how bad I want us to go back to school? You don't have playing cards at home. So I found this website that I'm going to put on with this video on Classroom that you can go to that gives you the playing cards that you could use. So it's like an interactive, you can't cheat though, so you can't like put your card back if you don't want it. So here you get to choose the number of cards. So let's say that I'm going to do the fraction operation game, which is where you do the two fractions and you either add, subtract, multiply, or divide them. So I'm going to say I need 4 cards because I need 2 numerators and 2 denominators. All those are fine, the suits. Now the cards, remember, you don't want to use face cards. So the face cards are kings, queens, jacks. You do want to use aces because those can count as 1. Don't worry about jokers. Okay, that's fine, that's fine. Okay, draw cards. See, simple, easy. So here are my 4 cards. So I can use these 4 cards to, on a piece of paper, write down my fractions that I want to use. And then you can do what we did, which is make your own spinner. So on a piece of paper, you just draw the 4 operations. If you don't have a paper clip, that's fine too. What you can do, let me see if I can get my video on real quick. Okay, so you see me up in the corner? Let me unshare my screen so you can see what I'm about to do. So on a piece of paper, you can just do the 4 operations. So we have add, subtract, multiply, and divide. So I just have it on a piece of paper. So what you can do if you don't have a paper clip to spin is that you put your paper down, obviously on the table or whatever you're working on. Take your pencil and just close your eyes and do this, and then say drop, and whatever it drops on, that's the operation you're going to do. So I'll be doing addition for that. Okay. Another game, let me share my screen again. Let me find where I share it. There we go. Another game that you can do with this, turn my video off so y'all aren't looking at me, is that we can go back and I can say to just draw 2 cards. And let's just say I want to use one of the face cards so I can have like a 10, or you can say this is 10, 11, and 12, depending on how you want to make it. Let's do that. Let's do jacks as 10, queens as 11s, and kings as 12. So we want to do 2 cards. We're going to draw the card. You need to, well, that's easy. You need to multiply the 2 numbers together. Okay, so if you want to play with this with somebody else, oh, won't let me pick another one. If you want to play this with somebody, oh, you hit again. There we go. Look, I'm learning with y'all. You hit again and it shows 2 more. So let's say you want to play this like with your brother or sister, kind of like a war game where you see whoever answers it first or the fastest is the one that gets the point. Then you would just do 4 cards like we did with the fraction one. Draw the cards. So these 2 would be your cards. These 2 would be whoever you're playing with cards. And whoever says the answer first will get a point. Okay, so I just want to show y'all a couple of games that you can play that's still math related, that will still get your fluency up so you don't lose everything while you're at home. So make sure you do finish your work. I don't mean by that. Make sure you turn in your assignments on Google Classroom. Some of you are doing the assignments and I can see you're doing it from my Google Drive, but you haven't turned it in on your end on Google Classroom, so I can't provide you feedback. So make sure you do go back onto Google Classroom and turn in the assignment so I can give you feedback and send it back. Okay? Let me know if y'all have any questions. I hope.